truck friends, Lauren Fletcher here with your Truck Chat monthly recap, where I break down what's new, what's next, and what's working for vocational truck and van fleets. Today, I'm talking about a derby challenge for a cause, where remarketing is headed in 2025, how to quake-proof your facilities, what to watch this month, and a stack of quick hits you shouldn't miss. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
If your business has fleets to fuel, there's really only one way to go: Chevron. That's because Chevron is the source for insights and fuel. When you're ready to go to the source at regi.com.
Now, let's start with something fun that gives back. Bobbit is helping bring back the Corporate Soapbox Derby Challenge, and I'm leading Team Fletcher against Team Brown to support the Hourglass Foundation. This nonprofit fuels the next generation of mechanics, makers, and innovators, the folks who will keep fleets moving into tomorrow. This isn't just a race, it's shop floor creativity, community spirit, and giving back in a way that actually builds skills. If you want in, you can sponsor Team Fletcher for $500 to get your name or logo on my soapbox car and directly support the mission. Or roll up your sleeves and build your own entry to race with us next summer in Akron, Ohio. We'll share behind the scenes, build progress, and a healthy amount of friendly rivalry as we count down to the green flag. Links are in the description. Next, let's dig into remarketing. Used truck values are finally finding their footing. Experts describe 2025 as stable but sensitive, which means fewer whiplash price swings and more pockets of dependable demand if you plan it right. Premium low-mileage units are still moving quickly. Older high-mileage trucks are softer, and tariffs and interest rates continue to influence timing. Medium-duty took a bigger hit this year, while certain heavy-duty slices show selective rebounds. The play here is to cycle intentionally. Watch rates, line up your reconditioning partners, and time listings to match where the buyers are. Calm beats chaos when you map the exit before you list. Now, a reality check for shops and depots in Quake country. Too many facilities sit in older, unreinforced buildings that can fail fast during a seismic event. The fix isn't flashy, but it is straightforward. Roof-to-wall connections, shear wall bracing, and targeted retrofits dramatically cut collapse risk and protect people, trucks, and uptime. Think of it like preventive maintenance for your building. Start with a basic assessment, confirm what your insurance really covers, and map upgrades on your schedule, not a disaster's. Every small step reduces downtime, keeps your operation moving, and protects the team that makes it all happen. Over to Tech and Uptime. VMS, formerly EVAI, is entering its next chapter with an AI-first focus on keeping trucks in service and repair bays moving. David Prusinski is joining founder Ian Gardner as co-CEO with a goal of putting enterprise-grade visibility in the hands of small fleets, independents, and dealers. The promise is simple: better data, faster decisions, less downtime. Keep an eye out on the platform rollout and early partnerships to see how quickly this translates into real-world gains. If it delivers on speed and clarity, a lot of smaller operations get a meaningful lift. And a quick seasonal reminder. Fall back looks minor on paper, but fleets feel it in the real world. Mornings get a bit brighter, which helps alertness on early routes, but evenings get darker sooner, which increases risk in low light and strains tired drivers. Stack a few quick wins. Refresh dusk driving habits, verify headlights and marker lights, confirm ADAS calibrations, and watch fatigue flags in telematics. If you can, shift certain schedules earlier for the first week after the change, and keep communication tight while sleep patterns settle. Small adjustments now keep productivity up and your safety record clean through shorter days. So let's roll into what you should watch this month. First up, a career worth celebrating. At Fleet Forward Conference, I had a chance to honor Rob Minton with a Lifecycle Award, and it's more than just a trophy moment. Rob shares what great partnerships look like, why mentorship matters, and how character shows up in daily fleet decisions. It's a feel-good watch with a real takeaway you can bring back. Sticking with leadership, Oleg Seidowitz breaks down fleet wisdom from the pit lane to the boardroom. He talks practical tech adoption, how to keep people first while everything changes, and the mindset new managers need on day one. Sharp, direct, and zero fluff. If reimbursement programs are on your radar, this one's your primer. Modus CPO Ryan Packer explains automotive reimbursement in plain language, how it's set up, how managers keep visibility, and where the control points live. Great context if you're balancing cost, risk, and compliance. And on the uptime front, we go inside Palfinger. CEO Andreas Klauser and VP Ishmael Danilas walk through what's driving their North America push and how faster parts distribution supports your trucks staying on the road. If reducing downtime is your love language, this interview just hits. And don't miss a field lesson in recovery. We're on scene with Cascade Heavy Rescue and Casey Liddell to see why one wrong move can cost you thousands. The right plan, the right tools, and the right experience make all the difference. Sprinter turns 30 and Mercedes-Benz is celebrating with a look back and a look ahead. From the original workhorse to today's e-Sprinter, it's been a productivity staple for trades and delivery fleets, and the next chapter is already lining up. Digital cargo theft just leveled up. A high-dollar Santo tequila heist showed how forged documents and GPS spoofing can slip past basic checks. So, tighten verification, train for red flags, and use location authentication to keep loads where they belong. And bigger news, GM has paused BrightDrop production at the Cami plant in Ontario. It's calling it a market reset. Keep an eye on what replaces it in GM's commercial EV roadmap and how that could impact future orders. And Cooner Fleet Management launched Fleet IQ, a maintenance tech program aimed at helping fleets track repairs, control costs, and keep trucks moving. Circle K is rolling out cardless fleet payments with Pro Digital powered by Car IQ. Think secure vehicle-based payments at the pump without plastic, plus cleaner transaction data for your back office. And finally, it's time to make your voice heard. Voting is open now for Commercial Van of the Year and Medium Duty Truck of the Year. These awards are chosen by working fleets like yours, so every vote helps spotlight the trucks and vans that actually deliver in the real world. Cast your ballot using the links in the description or hit the QR code on the screen. Share it with your team and partners so your whole operation has a say. And heads up, Upfit Package of the Year opens soon. Fleet managers, get ready to vote. We have a ton of options to help you make your voice heard. All the links can be found on our Work Truck Research and Awards Hub. That's a wrap for this month's Truck Chat. We covered the Derby for a Cause, a steadier remarketing outlook, practical quake readiness, AI for uptime, a daylight saving safety refresher, 5 videos worth your time, and quick hits to keep you ahead. If this was helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and pass it along to your fleet crew. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll see you on the road.